In this video, I'm going to explain what is lowest cost, cost cap, and bid cap strategy, and when exactly you should be using these strategies to get great results. So by the end of this video, you'd be crystal clear about this so that it's going to help you to get great results. So make sure you're going to watch till the end. So let me try to explain with a small diagram. So lowest cost. So in this case, Facebook is going to try its best to get the maximum page likes for the lowest cost, whatever is possible. Okay, but the only thing is the cost per page like is going to increase over a period of time. So this is the small diagram that is going to indicate like where your cost per page like is going to increase over a period of time as the page like, what I'm saying here is the volume, or the as it continues with the number of days what we are trying to run the campaign or something like that. Okay, so that's lowest cost, where you see your cost per page like is going to increase over a period of time. Now the second one is cost cap. So in cost cap, now say for example, okay, you have set the cost cap as 1 rupee per page like. Okay, in that case, what Facebook is going to do is it is going to try and make sure that whatever page likes it is going to get, it is going to be average to 1 rupee. Okay, so this is how it looks. Say for example, in this case, the red line is indicating the amount you'd be willing to spend for the amount that is being spent by Facebook on the page likes. Okay, so you could see that sometime it is more than 1 rupee. The black line is going to indicate as 1 rupee. So sometimes it could be more than 1 rupee, sometimes it could be less than 1 rupee. But the only thing is, over a period of time, you could see that the red line would become like averaging to 1 rupee. Okay, so that's cost cap. Okay, now the last one is bid cap. Okay, in this case, Facebook will always try to get results under the bid amount whatever you would have mentioned. Now say for example, okay, you have mentioned as 1 rupee per page like. Okay, so that's the bid cap that you have given. In that case, Facebook is always going to make sure that, okay, you are going to get page likes under 1 rupee, and it is not going to spend more than 1 rupee at any cost. Okay, but the only disadvantage with cost cap and bid cap is if Facebook is not able to find those kind of results for you to get page likes under 1 rupee, then though you are willing to spend the money, you would not be seeing that, okay, Facebook is spending money and you are not getting the page likes. Okay, so it works. First thing you need to do is you need to first run as the lowest cost and see how exactly your results are coming. Okay, if you're getting results for 1 rupee or 1.5 rupee, and based on that you identify what is the limit that you need to set. Say for example, okay, if I'm getting from anywhere around 80 paise to 1 rupee 20 paise, then probably I would set the limit as 1 rupee, so that I always aim to get a page like under 1 rupee. Okay, so this is something that you have to keep tracking and see how you are getting the results. I believe this video made clear about this bidding strategies, and let me know which is the bidding strategy that you are going to apply. And if you have any questions that is related to Facebook ads, just comment below and I'm going to answer them. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, then please do hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any videos from this channel. See you in the next video.